Have you ever wanted your own backyard fire feature, but didn't get one due to cost or not wanting to buy the store-bought junk that rots in a season or two? Well, EasyFirePits.com is your source for all gas fire feature needs, including our high-quality gas fire feature burners made with lifetime warranted marine-grade 316 stainless, never lesser 304 steel. Our burners, do-it-yourself gas connection kits, heavy-duty steel pan inserts, and all other quality gas fire feature supplies give you the option to make anything into your own custom, personal, and artsy gas fire feature. EasyFirePits burners and parts will allow anyone to make or convert a dining table, backyard landscape, patio, or pool deck enhancing fire feature in literal minutes, one that can be altered and customized, reused from home to home, or brought from party to party. Our complete kits are made of straightforward parts, easy enough for most amateurs to use, and yet a dream for any DIY, do-it-yourselfer, or professional fire feature builder. EasyFirePits.com ordering as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, idealize what you want to build. A fire pit, a fire table, a fire bowl, maybe a water fire feature, gas landscape torches, or something more custom. Next, pick the type of kit in gas kits for the gas supply that you plan to use. Our 4 main gas connection kits, the CK, CK+, ITCK+, and K++ will connect to any ideal propane or natural gas supply. Our DK kit also allows you to connect our smaller burners to a 1-pound disposable propane tank, like the one you use on camping trips. Last, select your burner. Do you want a round burner to produce a more natural campfire look? Or maybe you're going for a more modern looking fire feature. Fire tables look great with our linear burners. We offer 1-piece T-burners, 3-piece connecting trough burners, or if you're looking for 2 parallel rows of flames, try one of our H-burners. There are always options to what you want to do. And for these, we carry lengthier hoses or more durable stainless steel hoses, different color finish keys and valves for the deluxe kits. And we also offer the ability to combine several fire features so that you can create your ideal custom backyard and outdoor experience. One that will be longer lasting and far less expensive than most customs out there. So what are you wanting to create, and why haven't you? For any other inquiries or custom shipping requests, feel free to contact us at 813-600-5592 or send an email to info@easyfirepits.com. We pride ourselves on shipping all orders same day as received, Monday through Friday. Also, don't forget to follow and share us at EasyFirePits on social media. We look forward to your orders and know you will enjoy our products for decades to come. Once you make one for yourself, remember, our kits make great gifts. Just please send us pictures of what you create so we can share them with others.
Fire! 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 Fire!